Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best toys is probably one of the most exciting and challenging gifts to choose for a one-year-old boy, as they are at a crucial developmental stage where play is essential for learning and growth, and finding that perfect item that balances fun, safety, and educational value can feel like a quest, especially when you want to ensure it sparks joy and aids their burgeoning cognitive and motor skills. Number 5. Wooden Kids Baby Activity Cube. Looking for an excellent birthday gift for a 1 or 2-year-old boy? This activity cube comes with stacking cups and a book, all in a gift-ready package. It's an educational and fun choice that will bring a big smile to his face. This magnificent set is designed to help develop counting, math, color, pattern, and shape recognition skills. It's an interactive way to learn that will become a favorite for years to come. The top and bottom of this bead cube can be played with separately. The top even flips over and fits inside for easy storage, making it a great portable toy for travel. Crafted with sturdy wooden construction and non-toxic paint, this is a premium choice for educational toys. It's been recognized as a top baby wooden toy by parents and teachers. This development toy combines 5 exciting activities: a bead maze, abacus, spinning gears, learning clock, and shape sorter. Keep your toddler entertained for hours while developing their mind and coordination. What we like. This activity cube offers a fantastic variety of learning opportunities all in one compact toy. Its detachable parts make it versatile for different play styles and easy to store. If you are looking for a comprehensive educational toy that grows with your child and minimizes clutter, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The toy is made of durable, non-toxic materials, ensuring safety for young children. It features a variety of interactive buttons and sounds that keep toddlers engaged for hours. The bright colors and different textures stimulate sensory development and fine motor skills. Number 4. SEREED Baby Balance Bike for 1-year-olds. This is the perfect first bike for your little one, recommended for ages 12 to 24 months. It's a wonderful birthday gift to help them learn walking and riding, building balance and confidence early on. Designed with safety in mind, it features no pedals and a fully widened wheel to protect little feet. The turning limit and gravity steering keep them stable and prevent tumbles. It boasts a sturdy aluminum alloy frame, comfortable non-slip handles, and a soft seat. The wheels are non-slip and gentle on floors, perfect for indoor or outdoor adventures. Made from high-quality, safe materials, this is a reliable and secure gift for any 1-year-old. You can be assured of its safe design for your baby. Weighing only 3.6 pounds, it's incredibly easy for both you and your child to carry. This encourages independent play and keeps them engaged without needing constant help. What we like. This balance bike is designed with safety and early development in mind, featuring a no-pedal design and a steering limiter to prevent falls. Its sturdy yet lightweight frame makes it easy for little ones to manage. If you want a first ride-on toy that helps your child build balance and confidence safely, this is a great option. What people say. Very easy to put together, took no more than 10 minutes if that. Sturdy, well made and well built. Weighs no more than 4 pounds and can be taken on trips. Well made. Quiet and wheels won't scratch floors. Great for 2 to 3-year-olds. The 4-wheel design makes it very stable, so there's no tipping, which gave me peace of mind. It was easy to assemble, lightweight, and the seat height is great for little ones around 12 to 24 months. Number 3. Wooden Racetrack Car Ramp Racer. This toy is crafted from high-quality wood, ensuring it's safe for your little ones. It's BPA-free and painted with non-toxic colors, meeting the highest safety standards. You can be confident that the pieces are secure and won't come apart. Watch as the cars race down a vibrant track from the top parking lot. This not only provides endless fun but also helps develop their visual tracking skills. They can also practice tidying up by parking the cars themselves. This compact and sturdy toy is an ideal gift for birthdays or any occasion. It requires minimal assembly, making it ready for playtime right out of the box. It's perfect for indoor or outdoor fun. Encourage your child's development with this simple yet engaging toy. It promotes hand-eye coordination, attention span, and social skills like cooperation and turn-taking. It's a wonderful way for them to learn dexterity. Specifically designed for young children, this toy ensures a safe and enjoyable experience. The track width allows only one car at a time, making it perfect for little hands. Your child's safety and your satisfaction are our top priorities. What we like. This racetrack offers a fun way for toddlers to engage with cars and develop fine motor skills. The unique top parking lot encourages independent play and helps teach tidiness. If you're seeking a visually stimulating toy that promotes hand-eye coordination and a sense of order, this is a perfect fit. What people say. This is a great gift for a 1-year-old boy. It is very durable and has many different features that keep him entertained for hours. The toy is well made and safe for little hands. It also has a variety of colors and textures that stimulate his senses. My son loves this toy. He plays with it every day and has learned so much from it. It's a great way to encourage his development. Number 2. Umatoll Colorful Lighting Baby Balance Bike. Watch your little one's eyes light up with our colorful, glowing wheels. They spin to life, no batteries needed, sparking curiosity and adding extra fun to every ride. Designed with your baby's safety in mind, it features a steering limiter to prevent tip-overs and fully enclosed wheels to protect tiny feet. The soft grip handles ensure a secure hold. With an adjustable seat, this ride-on toy grows with your baby. Simply adjust it to the perfect height as they get older, ensuring a comfortable fit for months to come. Crafted with a strong yet lightweight aluminum frame, it's easy for your baby to maneuver. The quiet, non-slip EVA wheels are perfect for both indoor and outdoor adventures. More than just a toy, it helps develop essential balance and leg strength. It's the ideal first birthday gift, bringing joy and encouraging active play. Setting up this fun ride is a breeze, taking only minutes with no tools required. Plus, the removable basket is perfect for carrying their favorite small treasures along for the ride. What we like. This balance bike adds an extra element of fun with its colorful, light-up wheels that require no batteries. The adjustable seat ensures a comfortable fit as your child grows. If you want a visually engaging ride-on toy that promotes physical development and is easy for your child to handle, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This toy is great for developing fine motor skills. The bright colors and different textures keep my son engaged for hours. It's very durable and has withstood a lot of rough play. Number 1. Big Cartoon Truck Car Toys for 1-year-old Boy. Our toy cars are crafted from high-quality, non-toxic ABS material. They are designed without small parts, ensuring a safe play experience free from choking hazards. Each vehicle features a unique, bright color and an adorable shape. These elements are designed to capture your child's attention and spark their natural curiosity. The included playmat conveniently folds into a storage bag with Velcro, holding all the cars. This makes it an ideal, portable activity for entertainment anywhere, anytime. These colorful cars are easy for babies to push and crawl with, helping them develop balance. They serve as perfect learning toys for both babies and toddlers. Presented in an excellent gift package, this set makes a wonderful present. It's an ideal choice for a baby's first birthday, Easter, or Christmas celebration. What we like. This set comes with a convenient playmat that doubles as a storage bag, making it incredibly portable and easy to tidy up. The set includes multiple colorful cars made from safe, durable material. If you need a complete, on-the-go activity set that keeps little ones entertained and helps with organization, this truck set is ideal. What people say. The trucks and cars are the perfect size for little hands. Each vehicle is colorful and the map that doubles as a carrying bag is awesome for quick cleanup or to take traveling. It's durable and keeps my grandson's attention for a fun and active playtime. The trucks are colorful and fun, the playmat is soft and engaging, and the storage bag makes cleanup easy. Keeps him entertained for hours and is perfect for developing motor skills. It comes with trucks that are too large to choke on, making it safe for little ones who put everything in their mouth. They are also durable for constant chewing and kids who may be rough with their toys. These toy trucks are fun and functional, teaching little ones motor skills. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.